In the lesson today, we're going to work on that cool repeating piano pattern that you hear in the song You Say. And then at the end, we're going to talk about this cool thing called Nashville numbers, where we can transpose a song, and we're going to take this piano thing and move it to another key. It'll be pretty simple, so don't miss that. Here we go. First thing I need you to do is put your pinky here on F, pointer finger on C, thumb on A, and we might even move to G as well. And then the left hand, we just play some Fs. So hold down the sustain pedal. I'm gonna give you this is something you'd meditate to. Let's just start in prayer. God, we just ask you to watch over this lesson. Ask you to help us to always believe in your word, not what we're telling ourselves. Pray for the student wherever they are. In your name, amen. All right, so leave your hand right here. This will be the starting point for the first chord of the song. So I'm going to show you which chords, and then we'll start doing that pattern, what they're doing. So here's the first chord, F, key of F here, F, A, C. So get these down. Then you'll go to an A minor chord, which is A, C, E. Then you'll go to a D minor chord, A, D, F. Then you will end at a B flat chord, B, D, F. All right, so you need to get to where you can move between those four chords. When I play the F chord, I like to use the pointer finger here. Then the other ones, I'll be using thumb, middle, pinky. Just what feels natural to my hand. This stretch right here, I don't know, just doesn't feel right. But you can do whatever you want to. I ain't telling you what to do. All right, so we got these chords. This is gonna be our chord progression. It repeats this thing the entire song. It never changes, that pattern. All right, so within that, you're gonna go, and that's it. And you do that over and over again. So for this first chord, you do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And I've also marked on the screen what's going on with these chords. How come it's an F chord, but you're playing F up here? All right. This is a great thing for the cheat sheets, free PDF. You can download that below. Inverting chords makes things sound awesome and all connected, and this song does it brilliantly. So then going to the A minor, 2, 3, 4. Then to a D minor, then you'll go to that B flat, and you have the whole song. You just got to repeat that over and over again. If you want to put some bass with it, you can do that. You go F, A, D, C. You can even play octaves if you want, like lower on the piano, and it'll sound real nice. And then right after this, I'll show you how to change this to another key. All right, so let's play through it. 2, 3, and. Play it again. And bam, you can go through the whole song. Now, what if you wanted to change this progression to another key? So we told you the chords F, A minor, D minor, and B flat major. So if you have the cheat sheets, if you downloaded that, sign up for the email list in the link below, you can see something called Nashville numbers at the bottom of the page. All right, and with those Nashville numbers, you can start to think in numbers. All right, so if you go to the page where it's the key of F, then you'll see F is a 1 chord, A minor is a 3 chord, D minor is a 6 minor, and your B flat is a 4 chord. So what if we wanted to change that to the key of G? Well, what's our 1 chord? Well, G is. All right, what's our 3 chord? 3 minor. It's a B minor. And our 6 chord is a 6, an E minor. Our 4 chord is a C. And that's how every key works. Every key you can think in these numbers, and once you know a little bit of music theory, bam, you can transpose things immediately. So now we're in the key of G. It's magical. It's magical that you can do this now, because hopefully you understood what I said. Okay, cool. Hope that made some sense to where you can start to think in numbers now. If you like that video, you might enjoy this one as well to help you keep learning, play the piano, and worshiping and growing in those abilities. Also, encourage you to subscribe if you liked what was going on. Stay in touch with me. You can also join the email list by clicking in the link below. This has been Wade McNutt with pianomeditation.com.